पहले आई कर्नाटका के अंदर आज भी जो है सीएम डिप्टी सीएम ब्रेकफास्ट पर मिल रहे हैं। अब सीएम डिप्टी सीएम के जा रहे हैं, तो क्या माने हम इस ऑल इज वेल फॉर कांग्रेस पार्टी इन कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट इन कर्नाटका?
All was always well. Media showed different pictures, but now everything is there in front of you people. They already had a press conference 2 days back. Now they have met again. They are preparing for the winter session that is going to start from 8th there in Karnataka. I don't think there's any problem. It was only media creation and some sort of confusion created by the opposition.
And how do you see the Sanchar Sathi app, which is being done mandatory for the mobile companies, will be installed in their mobiles for every Indian users who is using mobile in India? What do you have to say?
See, it's a snooping app. They want to snoop into everyone's lives. They want to control everyone's life. They want to tell the people of this country, look, we are watching you. You cannot do anything against the government. You cannot protest, you cannot plan, you cannot have a movement, you cannot speak, you cannot do anything. So it's a way to create a republic. It's a way to create a banana republic. It's a way to have a complete control over the people. And it's a sort of a dictatorship that's happening in our country.
So last question. Today you protested, opposition protested at Makardwar also. Will the protest continue or till the government agrees on the debate on SIR or electoral reform? What is it?
See, we are ready to discuss and debate this situation that has been created by something called SIR. You have seen what happened in Madhya Pradesh, in Haryana, what happened in Maharashtra, and what happened in Bihar. It is very clear that no party can win an election by these kind of initiatives taken by the Election Commission. There's no level playing field for the opposition parties in the country now. So it has to be debated and discussed in the highest forum that we have in our country, that is the parliament. So hence we are asking for a decision. Let them not discuss in the name of SIR. Let them discuss in the name of electoral reforms, urgent need for electoral reform, whatever it is. So now it is more than 75 years of electioneering and more than 75 years of Indian parliamentary democracy. So why are these people so hesitant in discussing something which they think is already right? Whatever they want to say, they can come and say in the parliament.